Hi everyone, I find unique items at garage sales all the time. So I found this piece. It's a frame or a rack that was used to collect matchbook covers. So I am going to turn it into a tray that is also going to function as a background piece for a wreath. I am doing this project in conjunction with other YouTubers as a collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine and Katie from Handymom. So check out below the links to both of their channels in my description. Want to see more projects and share more ideas? Think about subscribing. So I am starting with this rack here. I think it's a really nice size for a tray. It's really well made. It's kind of a unique piece. And I am starting with my chalk-like paint from Valspar. I really like this product. It goes on really nicely. It did take a couple of coats to cover this entire piece because of all the detail on this little piece, but I think that it goes on really quickly. And then I did do the sides, I did the back, and I just made sure that I got some nice even coating on everything, all of the little nooks and crannies, because I am going to distress this later. So I wanted a really nice base coat just to get everything covered here. And yep, here is the second coat going on. And so while that was drying, I am using two placemats that I got from the Dollar Tree. I really like this gray and white pattern. I think it's going to be nice to dress up or dress down for any occasion. And I just measured it and cut it with my X-Acto knife, my handy dandy tool there. And I love that kind of self-healing cutting board product that they make. I've had that for years for lots of projects. And for the wreath, for the front of this piece, I'm going to have a wreath that's hanging, and I'm using one of the little willow wreaths that they sell at the Dollar Tree, as well as these berries for the Christmas season. And these just go in so quickly. This is just really, really quick, really easy. I think it's just gonna look really pretty and simple, just to have the green holly leaves and the red berries, just to keep it nice and clean. So they went in really quickly, and then I also am thinking that it will also kind of be nice as maybe a centerpiece later on in the season. I don't know. I think that it looks great right now as a wreath, but maybe it's going to be really nice in the middle of a table with a candle in it. So I'll have to see about that. Maybe I'll make another one so that I have two. And then, because I love this black and white ribbon so much right now, this time of year, I think it looks great. I just add a little bit of ribbon that I'll use to attach to the top. And when everything was dry, I did a little bit of light distressing, just to give it a little farmhouse feel and bring back some of that darker wood tone that was on the original finish. And then to adhere the back, the placemats that I'm using as the back of the tray, I am using the super glue in the gel form that is made by, yes, Dollar Tree. And I was really, really happy with this because I wasn't sure if it would adhere right away, but it stuck so quickly. It was really, this is the first time I'm using this glue, and I was really happy that it seemed to stick immediately. I also held it in place with a few dabs of hot glue though. So it just kept it in place while the super glue dried. So I adhered the two placemats in two different pieces. Oh, and now I am putting on these really super pretty handles that I got from True Value Hardware. And I again love this super glue product because they stuck like immediately. and I didn't have to get out my drill and drill in holes. I was so happy with this. These worked great. So they almost dried like immediately, didn't even seem to move at all. I measured them, put them on, centered them, and that's my finished product. I'm so happy with this little tray. This is just, I think this is so cute. I think I could use it for springtime. So right now I'm just gonna adhere my wreath that I made. I put a little dab of hot glue on the back of that buffalo check ribbon to hold it in place. And here is the finished product. So thanks everybody for watching. Thanks to our host. Check out the playlist. I put it against this white wall for the video so you could see it in some nice light, but I'm actually going to be hanging it in my kitchen because I think this is going to be just a nice little size and a nice little interest piece to decorate, to have for decorating for the holidays. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching Jenny's Home. Bye-bye.